Hi, everyone. Hi, fifth graders. It's Mrs. Kane again. Today is April 23rd, 2020. So, on your pacing guide for your packet, your materials to complete is traditional versus tech reading and questions, plus your weekly writing, plus your 20 minutes of daily reading. So, let's look at what your writing is first. So today it says write a list of 10 items that you can do around your house to help your family and do them. So that can be a creative list. You can think of things that you can help as far as cleaning, picking things up, maybe just helping to stay quiet while others in your family get some work done. So just 10 things that you can do. It's probably things you do all the time anyway. So that's a great weekly writing for today. So let's look at the next page in our packet. So traditional versus tech. So this is a reading passage. So there's several paragraphs here. And then there's comprehension questions. So they're just asking you 4 questions related to the text for you to answer to make sure that you understand it. I'm going to go ahead and read the passage to you. Sometimes it helps when you hear something being read to you instead of reading it yourself. Sometimes it just processes differently. So it says high schools are not all the same. In fact, there are many different types of high schools that cater to different types of students. You might even have different kinds of high schools right in your own neighborhood. Traditional high schools and technical high schools are similar in some ways and different in others. Let's find out a bit more about each of these kinds of schools. Traditional high schools typically teach children from 9th grade to 12th grade. Students are given the chance to take a few elective courses while still being taught general education classes like math and English. Technical high schools offer students the chance to learn about certain occupations and get a head start on that training. Courses taught at a technical high school can range from fine science to nursing assistants, cosmetology to auto mechanics. Traditional and technical high schools are similar. Both traditional high schools and tech high schools are focused on providing excellent education to their students. Each of these types of schools have teachers and a principal. Students at both schools have books for their classes and both have homework assignments. Both types of schools are very important to students and give them the start they need to continue on to college or onto their careers. Traditional high schools and tech high schools are also very different. Traditional high schools have students from the morning to the afternoon dismissal. Technical high schools typically have students for just a few hours each day. Students spend most of their day at their home high school and are bused to the technical high school for their classes. While traditional high schools usually have classes that last only an hour or so, technical high school classes are typically 2 to 3 hours. Finally, the teachers at a traditional high school and those at a technical high school are a bit different. High school teachers have attended college to take education classes and became certified to teach specific subjects. Teachers of a technical high school have been certified or trained in their specific occupation. For example, a nurse might teach the certified nursing assistant course, or a fireman might teach the fire science class. These teachers have taken education classes after they were hired on as a teacher. They offer experience in their field as their main teaching qualification. Students at both traditional high schools and technical high schools are given top-notch education. Having both types of schools in a neighborhood can give students an option and a way to succeed at school. So that's a great passage that compares the two different types of high schools. There's similarities and there's differences. So if you read the 4 questions and remember to answer in complete sentences, and that's your assignment for today. And then again, roll your dice and and answer some questions or do an activity based on your reading. Okay, I hope that helped. I will see you tomorrow for our last reading activity in the pacing guide. Have a great day. Bye, guys.